Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate cross-region backups in AWS for EC2 detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate cross-region backups in AWS for EC2, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left navigation pane, select Instances. Identify the instance you wish to backup and click on its checkbox. From the Actions drop-down menu, choose Image and Templates. Select Create Image to begin the backup process. Provide a name for your AMI in the pop-up window. Optionally, add a description to clarify the purpose of the image. Ensure that the No Reboot option is unchecked for a consistent backup. Click on Create Image to proceed. Once the AMI is created, navigate to the AMI section in the left pane. Switch to the Owned by Me filter to locate your newly created AMI. Select the AMI you want to copy. From the Actions drop-down, select Copy AMI. In the Copy options, choose the destination region for your. Fill in the required details, including the name and description for the copied AMI. You can also choose to encrypt the image if desired. After reviewing the settings, click Copy AMI to initiate the process. Monitor the progress of your AMI copy in the AMI section. Once the copy is complete, navigate to the target region. Switch to the destination region using the region selector at the top of the console. In the target region, go to the AMI section. You should see the copied AMI ready for use. Now you can launch new instances from this AMI in your selected region. This ensures your backups are secured across different geographical locations. Always verify the integrity of the AMI after the copy process is complete. Consider setting up a lifecycle policy for automated backups in the future. Utilizing cross-region backups enhances your disaster recovery strategy effectively. Now you are equipped to maintain robust data protection for your EC2 instances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.